Logan, do you need a bath?
No.
Sydney thinks you need a bath. Sydney. Logan, what shampoo did you use today?
The coconut.
The coconut?
Yeah.
Sydney. Sydney, look at me.
Probably likes coconut.
Sydney. Sydney. This is crazy. Is it wet?
My head.
Is it wet? Sydney. Sid. Sydney. Sydney. I want her to look up so I can see what your hair looks like.